Good morning, children. Welcome back. Children, in our previous session, we had discussed what is soil, what is a natural resource, and importance of soil. Just a quick recap, children. What is a natural resource? All the things that exist in nature and which are not created by man are called as natural resources. What is a soil? The uppermost layer of the earth's crust is called as the soil. Or we can also define as a mixture of sand and an organic substance which is required for the growth of plants. Importance of soil. It is essential for the growth of plants. It is the home for many animals. Then it is required for agriculture and so on. Now today, children, we are going to discuss soil profile. What do you mean by soil profile? Soil profile can be defined as the vertical section. If you take the vertical section of the soil, in it you can see the various layers of the soil, or you can see the distinct layers of the soil. Again, I am repeating, children. In soil profile, or what is soil profile? It is defined as the vertical section of the soil in which you can see the various layers of the soil. Okay, or you can differentiate between the distinct layers of the soil. Now, each layer differs from the other in color, texture, and chemical composition. Okay, children, only the top layer is visible to us, okay, which is called as the A horizon, and each layer is also called as the horizons of the soil. But if we want to see all the layers of the soil, or if we want to see the soil profile, we have to dig it deep. For example, if you are digging a well, or if you are digging some site for the foundation of a building, then only you can see the soil profile. Otherwise, what is visible to us? It is only the top layer or the top soil. Now we will discuss each layer. Now firstly is A horizon or topsoil. It is the topmost layer of the soil. It is dark in color. It is rich in humus and minerals. Now what is humus? Humus is the dead decaying matter that is present in the soil. That is called as humus, which makes the soil fertile. Now since the topsoil is rich in humus and minerals, it is very supportive to the growth of plants. Now children, it is now again I am repeating, what is topsoil? It is also or top layer. It is called as the A horizon. It is rich in minerals. It is rich in humus. That is why it supports the growth of plants. It is porous. The texture is soft. The texture of soil is soft, and it is dark in color. Now we come to B horizon or the middle layer. Now middle layer or B horizon, it is light in color and it is more compact as compared to the topsoil. It is, though minerals are present, but it possesses less amount of humus. What happens in B horizon, children? It possesses less amount of humus, but minerals are present. It is more compact as compared to the topsoil, and the color is light. The color is light. Then we come to C horizon. C horizon is a layer below the middle layer, and it consists of pieces of rocks which have cracks or crevices in them. They are partly weathered. Now what is weathering, children? We have studied that weathering is breaking down of rocks due to the action of wind, water, sunlight and other climatic conditions. Now the layer of C horizon, what type of soil it possesses? It possesses rocks which are partly weathered, and they have cracks or crevices in them. Then the bottommost layer or the last layer of the soil profile is called as the bedrock, and it consists of rocks, large pieces of rocks which are not weathered at all. Again I am repeating, bedrock is the bottommost layer of the soil profile, and it consists of large pieces of rocks which are not weathered at all. Not weathered at all means what? It has been never exposed to sunlight, wind and water. And it is very difficult to dig this layer with a spade. You need machines. So children, if you want to see the soil profile, you have to go deep into the soil. So this is all about soil profile. Each layer or distinct layer is also called as the horizon of the soil. I hope children this you have understood. If you have any doubt, you can contact me on my personal number. Till then, thank you and God bless.